My name is Fun. Welcome to FunFun Busy Bags. I have 3 kids remote learning. I knew it would be a challenge to keep my 3-year-old daughter busy and entertained screen-free while I help her brothers and do some preschool with her. So I made these busy bags. I want to share my ideas with parents and grandparents who can also benefit from them. Teach little kids the alphabet, numbers, colors, shapes, and more in fun ways with these busy bag ideas. Let's get started. First, get some pencil pouches and some rings to hold them together. My favorite are these at Walmart. They come in 2 sizes. You can also search 3-ring pencil pouches on Amazon. You can use Ziploc bags too. The rings are the cheapest at Dollar Tree. You can also get them on Amazon. I use the 1.5 and 2-inch sizes. Most of the items I use for these busy bags are from Dollar Tree that are available in the stores now. Assume that the items are from Dollar Tree unless I note otherwise. In this video, I will show you how quick, easy, and inexpensive it is to put together 20 busy bags with spring and Easter themes. For those of you who have never heard of a busy bag contains an activity for a kid to learn through play. Number 1. I use a bunny garland for color matching with pom-poms as bunny tails held with Velcro dot. Pink bunny, pink tail. This is a free printable that I laminated for durability if you don't have the bunny garland. Green bunny, green tail. Your kid can feed the bunnies with these carrots. These are from the Dollar Tree. Feed the bunny. While these bigger ones are from the Target Dollar Spot. Or you can use these laminated free printable carrots. Your kid can play a game by picking a pom-pom, blue, and feeding that color bunny. You can also use color cards. Pink. A bonus activity is matching the shapes with this free printable. Circle, hexagon. Any free printable that I mention in this video would be credited in the description box with a link to the direct source. Number 2. These animal Easter eggs are perfect for visual discrimination by matching each other, elephant, elephant, and matching them to animal flashcards from the Target Dollar Spot. Giraffe, giraffe. You can also include magnetic letters like these, which I picked up at the Goodwill, and have your kid put the first letter of each animal in its respective egg. E is for elephant. Here are other examples of letters you can use. Clear glass pebbles I labeled A through Z with a permanent marker. Or you can borrow letter pieces from games like Scrabble. And bananagram. Here are more animal eggs in the sets. Number 3. Celebrate St. Patrick's Day with these pots numbered 1 through 10. Written with a chalk marker or labeled with dot stickers. Your kid would put the correct number of coins in each pot. 2, 1, 2. A similar activity is with these foam shamrock labeled with numbers 1 through 10. 2, 1, 2. Your older kid can do simple math with the coins. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Number 4. Easter is not Easter without tons of plastic eggs. Use them for color matching. Orange, blue, stacking, matching upper and lowercase alphabet, A, matching number and dots, 4, doing simple math, 2 plus 3 equals 5, 2 plus 4 equals 6. Your kid can also place glass pebbles with letters written with permanent marker into letter eggs. A. Bunny and egg erasers counters from the Target dollar spot into number eggs. Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got this foam egg stand from Target. Just a fun way to stand up the egg. Number 5. These are butterfly die cuts to be used in a simple matching game. Your kid can also learn to group them by sizes: small, medium, and large. Before I start with the second bundle, I want to mention that I was so excited to discover these binder pouches at Dollar Tree. They are great to hold larger or bulkier busy bag activities.
Number 6.
I made these letter craft stick signs by hot gluing laminated free printable to jumbo craft sticks. I stick the signs in a little flower pot filled with beans. I stuff the pot with a wad of paper or napkin or paper towel so I don't have to fill it with so many beans. You can also use rice. Your kid can pick a letter flashcard and find the matching craft stick sign. If you use a can, You can stick magnetic letters on the can. These cans are plain. You can do a separate craft project with your kid to decorate the can. In an upcoming video, I will show you several ways to decorate tin cans and use them for numerous activities. Another activity is to use several craft stick signs to spell out simple words using these laminated free printable. Bug, B-U-G. You can use any flashcards with an image and simple words. Toddlers can match letters in the word, while older kids can learn to spell simple words. I made other versions of the craft stick signs using silk flowers, felt flowers from a garland, and butterfly die cuts. I use a dot sticker and letter sticker to label each craft stick. To get more use out of the felt flower ones, I hot glued another flower on the back and labeled numbers 1 to 10. I use them for a simple math game. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Number 7. In a previous video, I put together a busy bag with a portable sensory bin using a collapsible box. Here, I include the box with some plastic grass and Easter erasers from Dollar Tree and the Target Dollar Spot. Hide the erasers in the grass for your kid to find. You can also use magnetic letters and numbers or laminated pre-printables of letter eggs and number carrots to find. When your kid pulls one out of the grass, he or she will say the letter or the number. H, A, 1. You are welcome to use a larger box or bin if you want. Number 8. My 3-year-old loves to use dot markers. I include an egg-free printable. I avoid a potential mess by giving her one color at a time. These dot markers are from Amazon. You can also use bingo dot markers from Dollar Tree. Number 9. Pop in a paint with water, fairies, and a paintbrush, and you're done. My 3-year-old and 5-year-old love to paint with water. I repurpose a glass baby food jar to hold the water. If you don't want to deal with an open container of water, you can use a Melissa & Doug water reveal or water wow book with a refillable water pen. Here's a cheaper version from Dollar Tree. My kids love these too. They're a great and less messy on-the-go instant activity. Number 10. Last but not least, I'm so excited to make fairy gardens for the first time with my 4 kids. I have a few items in this busy bag that I will let my daughter play with for a while with this base before they all make their fairy gardens. I don't want them to glue anything down. I want them to be able to move everything around and play with them. I went a little crazy in my purchases, but hey, they're for 4 fairy gardens. Each kit will have a different base for variety. I may make a short video of their fairy gardens or insert a few images in an upcoming video. Nothing shouts spring like a fairy garden. I definitely got spring fever. Please tune in for the next video, 20 Spring and Easter Busy Bags for Toddlers and Up, Part 2, where I bring you more amazing ideas to celebrate spring's arrival. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel by subscribing and hitting the like button. Thank you for spending some time with us. At FunFun Busy Bags, we hope to inspire you to create fun activities for your kids to play, learn, and grow.